I am NUST, and greatness surrounds me. Here, you're walking through history with every rock under your feet. Together, we have accomplished wonders and turned the impossible into possible. Together, we have grown and explored the possibilities of future wonders. In the year 1991, a spark ignited, a promise was whispered to empower the youth through knowledge, ambition, and leadership. I have an enduring history of innovation, fueled by the most powerful source on earth, education. From the beginning, I was designed to be different. I was designed to be transformative and inclusive. I evolved to construct the future with ideas and reached out to the far ends of Pakistan and beyond. Today, 3 decades strong, I stand proud. What sets me apart as a 4th-generation university is my commitment to creating an impact on the fabric of society and providing world-class education in a variety of disciplines to a student body spread across 7 campuses in 5 cities. From state-of-the-art physical infrastructure to a highly conducive knowledge ecosystem, I am a thriving hub of higher education, research, and innovation. I embrace those who aspire. I nurture those who ponder, turning their passion into possibilities. As a living lab for lasting solutions, I am proud to be part of the global movement towards a sustainable future. Our networks and partnerships have provided fertile ground for research excellence. Our technologies, reaching the industries, represent more than just a partnership. They embody a shared resolve and a powerful force for change.
Industry involvement and integration within this knowledge ecosystem offers a kind of real-world exposure for our students and helps facilitate the formation of first-hand relationships with industry leaders that our graduates can leverage in the future for access to career opportunities and network building.
Together, we become the architects of change, breaking down silos because the greatest solutions often lie at the intersection of disciplines.
We try to develop the courses that are going to enhance the skills of the students as well as the professionals. These courses will help these students and the learners from any level of the industry or the society to embed well with the industry requirements.
My faculty is the driving spirit behind this pursuit of academic and research excellence. They inspire students to be inquisitive by cultivating higher-order thinking skills, coupled with the ability to create, evaluate, and apply knowledge to real-world issues.
As a chemical engineer, I always want to focus on the development of new products. So, I want to focus on the national needs. What is required for our country, I want to develop such kind of products at SCME, at NUST.
We are well aware of our important role as a key stakeholder in the development of the knowledge economy of the country. A clear testament of our commitment in this regard is that we have been awarded the status of Special Technology Zone by the Government of Pakistan.
My legacy extends far beyond the campus walls. My alumni are the embodiment of these values and continue to inspire society and the wider community. Both at home and abroad, I have earned the trust of partners and leading employers, demonstrating that the best candidates are those who have walked these corridors. Are you ready to see things from a bigger perspective and unleash your undiscovered potential? This is your chance to define the future and create a niche of your own. If you are looking to delve into a transformative teaching and learning paradigm or explore endless collaborative avenues in a thriving knowledge ecosystem, explore and partner with NUST, the melting pot of diverse perspectives, where every voice is heard and every idea matters. After all, we are in this together.